Good morning, student. This is your general science class. Today we will continue with the same chapter, chapter number 6 from the page number 50. So, activity 2, try it yourself. What is that activity? To show that the sunlight is essential for the photosynthesis. Take a green potted plant and cover one of its leaves with black paper. Place this plant in a dark room for 1 day. Place this plant in the sun for 8 hours. Plug the leaf covered with black paper. Remove the paper. Bleach the leaf as done in activity 1. Now test it with iodine as done in activity 1. What do you observe? We observe that the leaf does not turn blue-black with iodine solution because it could not prepare food in the absence of sunlight. So sunlight is very essential for the photosynthesis. Otherwise, the plants don't make their own food without the sunlight. So that's why it not show the sunlight. So don't show the blue-black color turns, okay, with the iodine solution because it could not prepare food in the absence of sunlight. Now next activity, page 51. In this activity, to show that the chlorophyll is essential for the photosynthesis. Already I told you about the chlorophyll, that is the green color pigment, okay, the green color which is present in the leaf. So that is called the chlorophyll. So take a coleus leaf, it has white and green patches. You can see the figure also. Make it sketch on a paper and clearly mark the green and non-green parts of the leaf. Bleach the leaf and test it with iodine. So what do you observe? We will observe that the only parts of leaf which were green turned, okay, which is green color, so that's been turned blue-black, showing that photosynthesis has taken place only in the green parts of the leaf because it contains chlorophyll. So that's been chlorophyll is essential for the photosynthesis. The next topic, transpiration. So transpiration helps to keep the plant cool. It is a process by which leaves give out extra water from the plant. It also helps water to reach great heights of the plant. So this is a transpiration, that is the process by which leaves give out extra water, so from the plant. Now in activity 4, take a potted plant, put a plastic bag over a stem of the plant, tie it lightly to the stem, place this plant in the sun and water it. After a few hours, you will see tiny drops of water in the inner surface of the plastic bag. So water evaporating from the leaves condenses and forms water droplets inside the plastic bag. So this proves that the process of transpiration in plants. So that's been also plants have leaves have the stomata which help to ब्रीथ इट, ओके, रेस्पायर. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि हमारे बॉडी के अंदर क्या है, लंग्स है, जिसकी हेल्प से हम रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं, रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस चलता है. ऐसी लीव्स के अंदर क्या है, स्टोमेटा, ओके. स्टोमेटा वो क्या है, सांस जैसे गिव आउट ऑक्सीजन गैस एंड टेक इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एटमोसफेयर. सो सेम हियर ट्रांसपीरेशन जो है एक्स्ट्रा वाटर जो है रिमूव कर रहा है लीव से. सो दैट्स मीन दिस प्रूव्स दैट द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसपीरेशन इन प्लांट्स. सो कंडेंसेशन हो रही है, वाटर इवेपोरेटिंग फ्रॉम द लीव्स एंड कंडेंसेस एंड फॉर्म्स वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स इनसाइड द प्लास्टिक बैग. So next topic is useful plant products. We know that the most important thing that plants give us food. We also get useful things like wood, paper, rubber, gum, spices, fibers, oil, etc. from plants. Some plant parts are used to make medicines. The bark of cinchona tree used to make quinine, that is used to treat malaria. Turmeric and neem also have the medicinal value. So also we get the medicine from the plants. We got useful plant products. So every product, that is a plant product, so every part of the plant we are used. So it is very useful for the human being, and we also get useful things from the plant product. We should plant as many trees as we can. Trees keep the air clean by giving out oxygen. The water vapor given out by the trees makes the air cool and fresh. Without trees, the earth would become very hot. So also save trees by not wasting the paper. So students, up to this, read this chapter and try to find out the exercise of this chapter. Thanks and have a nice day.